a chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth.
Right.
And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be?
Why Elon Musk had Tesla invest into Bitcoin. Tesla Incorporated has become the largest major corporation to make an investment in Bitcoin, underscoring the increasing acceptability of the digital asset. The big question observers are asking is, why is the Elon Musk-run company doing this? In today's video, we are going to tell you why Elon Musk had Tesla invest into Bitcoin. Don't forget to watch till the end. Ring that notification bell as well so you'll never miss another video. Without further ado, let's get started. Is it safe? Tesla made it clear in its statement filed with its regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission, that it sees Bitcoin as a chance to diversify its cash and cash equivalent holdings.
Transactions that are not within the bounds of the law.
Corporations usually hold excess cash and/or cash equivalents, like treasury bills or commercial paper on their books, to provide operational liquidity and generate returns while limiting risks. Tesla wrote, "We updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity. The move isn't without risk," Tesla acknowledges, as the price of Bitcoin could slump. Cryptocurrencies is the new safe word. Tesla's move into Bitcoin represents an investment of a significant percentage of its cash in the investment. The company had more than $19 billion in cash and cash equivalents on hand at the end of 2020, according to its most recent filing. The moves raised the questions around CEO Elon Musk's recent behavior on Twitter, where he had been credited for increasing the prices of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, by posting positive messages that have encouraged more people to buy the digital currencies. Musk has helped to drive the popularity of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin, by regularly tweeting that he is a supporter of the cryptocurrencies. He has also joked that Bitcoin is his safe word. Why Tesla invested in Bitcoin? In its SEC filing, the company pointed out that last month it updated its investment policy to be more flexible in further diversifying and maximizing returns on its idle cash. As a part of this plan, it said it would invest in certain alternative reserve assets, including digital assets, gold bullion, gold exchange-traded funds, and other assets. Therefore, we invested an aggregate $1.50 billion in Bitcoin under this policy and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to applicable laws, and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt, it said. Biggest investment. Electric car maker Tesla announced that it invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, making it the biggest investment by a mainstream corporation into the most popular cryptocurrency. In addition, the company also noted in a filing that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, that going ahead, it plans to start accepting the digital currency as a payment option for its products. Soon after Tesla's announcement, the rate of Bitcoin skyrocketed to an all-time high, breaching the $44,000 mark for the first time. What investment opportunity does Bitcoin present? The first advocates of Bitcoin did not intend for it to be used as an asset, but with the mushrooming of exchanges where it could be easily purchased and sold, the currency became one. While not with the same approach, traditional investment experts have also cautioned against Bitcoin as an investment. Market participants say that the huge volatility in the price of Bitcoin without any major fundamental reason is a factor that retail investors should be cautious about. What does Tesla's investment in Bitcoin mean? To begin with, crypto traders and investors are seeing the investment has a huge step in favor of institutional adoption of Bitcoin. It's a sign to other companies that Bitcoin is a solid reserve asset for any balance sheet, said Rahul Pagidipati, CEO of Indian crypto exchange ZebPay. Tesla's investment, though, is also a testament to its CEO Elon Musk's support to cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, the price of which went surging after he changed his Twitter bio to read #Bitcoin. The announcement of Tesla investing in Bitcoin has even raised red flags about Musk's social media activity on cryptocurrencies. Diversity. Tesla also said it will start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its products, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis. That would make Tesla the first major automaker to do so. The $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin will give Tesla liquidity in the cryptocurrency once it starts accepting it for payments. publicity stunt? Craig Earlham, senior market analyst at Owanda, said that, thankfully, Elon Musk on Monday once again ensured no one would be bored with the unexpected announcement that Tesla will buy Bitcoin and accept them as payment for vehicles. The analyst referred to the move as a publicity stunt, a move that everybody is talking about. But there are a number of ways to think about it. Accepting Bitcoin as payment is expected to invite more regulatory scrutiny, as governments are often wary of cryptocurrencies being used for money laundering or tax evasion. Tesla might be under scrutiny by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, a branch under the Department of Treasury that regulates crypto exchanges. And the EV maker could also be required to report suspicious transactions to regulators. Tesla is not the first company to accept Bitcoin as a payment method. Tech giant Dell, furniture company Overstock, and travel site Expedia started accepting Bitcoin years ago. The US has established sufficient legal infrastructure to regulate Bitcoin investment and transactions, provided that companies like Tesla comply with all regulatory requirements and make all disclosures that are necessary. Brand perceptions. Bitcoin is associated with a group of iconoclastic founders who were attempting to break the mold on payments and fiat money. That was the idea behind cryptos being written into code back in 2009 by a person or persons known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Those rebellious notions align somewhat with Musk's own agenda of disruption. Tesla is making electric-powered vehicles in a world that has thus far been dominated by fossil fuel-driven cars. Moreover, Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model also is viewed as trend-setting, since many companies sell their cars through unaffiliated dealerships. Bitcoin's image as a decentralized asset, not controlled by any one body, also fits with Tesla's image and that of its leader Musk. Perceptions matter. Are other firms investing in Bitcoin or accepting cryptocurrencies as a payment option?
Speculate and kind of like, I don't know.
While Tesla's may be the biggest investment in Bitcoin by a consumer-facing company, it is noteworthy that it does not hold the largest quantity of Bitcoin for a single entity's corporate treasury. Virginia US-based business intelligence and mobile software company MicroStrategy has around 71,079 Bitcoins in its holding, compared to Tesla's 43,053 Bitcoins, while US-based financial services tech firm Square holds 4,709 Bitcoins. Among the major firms to accept Bitcoin as payments are Microsoft, telecommunications giant AT&T, in addition to other companies like Pizza Hut, Subway, which accept Bitcoin as payments in some of their branches in the US and Venezuela. Notably, AT&T was the first major US company to provide cryptocurrency payment option to its customers. Diversification strategy. The investment in Bitcoin is a diversification strategy, which is bringing a decent return to the company, said Ives. The price of Bitcoin has jumped nearly 67% this year since January 1st, indicating a lucrative return so far on the company's $1.5 billion investment. What does this mean for Tesla in Asia? Tesla did not specify when it will roll out the Bitcoin payment option or in which country buyers will be able to pay for cars in the cryptocurrency. The EV maker has a big following in Asia, particularly in China, a big part of its recent sales success. But Beijing prohibits trading and transactions of cryptocurrencies. In Japan, an existing subsidy scheme of up to 400,000 yen for electric vehicles may incentivize Tesla buyers to stick with the national currency. Paying with Bitcoin may make it more complicated for buyers to get the subsidy, which may rise to 800,000 yen in the next budget. The upcoming budget also includes new subsidies for home charging docks. There is still hope for cryptocurrency in Asia. Is there a connection? Many attribute the depreciation of Bitcoin to Musk's tweet, as the temporal proximity between the two events could give the feeling of cause and effect. However, Musk's statement came 2 days before the cryptocurrency reached its all-time high. That is, even after the businessman hinted that perhaps BTC is overvalued, its price continued to rise. Bottom line. So this is all about why Elon Musk had Tesla invest into Bitcoin. What are your thoughts about it? Have you ever thought about investing into cryptocurrencies? If so, why? Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked the video, press the like button. Also, comment down below what do you think of our today's video. If you are new to this channel and like our content, it would be great if you could subscribe to our channel. Oh wait, considering many of you leave without subscribing, maybe you don't know where the button is. You see that red sign with a subscribe written on it? Yes, press it for heaven's sake. Also, if you want to get the latest updates from our channel, press the bell icon. Till then, see ya!